Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Spanish Town Depot, the JUTC Depot, and we are going to talk about the refurbishing of some of these buses. Now the government meaning 100 new buses every year. Those are going to be CNG buses. The first 100 have actually come in already, and they're making a huge difference out on the roads. Just one afternoon from driving on Washington Boulevard from Mandela up to Dunrock to Constant Spring Road, I counted 8 JUTC buses. 8 running. Well, it was one was a private bus, so 7 JUTC buses. Washington Boulevard on the routes. So they definitely are making a huge difference. Now the government brought in 100 and they'll bring in on 100 next year and 100 a year after. Those are new buses. But for now, the government is also refurbishing some of these buses that you see here. Now, the government says that the buses, which are as old as 14 to 15 years, include 25 Golden Dragon, 30 articulated, and 50 Volvo buses. These are the ones that are going to be refurbished. Now, to refurbish the Volvo bus is at a cost of US 300,000, and to refurbish the other two buses are 200,000. Other two types of buses. So to refurbish the 50 Volvo buses, that's 300,000 US each, and the other two buses are 200,000 each. And it's going to be done through the local dealers in Jamaica. Though these will be refurbished by the factory, coming here and redoing both the interior and exterior and the engines. Vaz, that's the Minister of Transport, said the Golden Dragon buses will service hill routes, downtown Kingston to Stony Hill, above Rock to Halfway Tree, and Border to Halfway Tree, while the other types will be assigned to other routes that are now underserved. Alright, so that's the latest on the JUTC. Even though they're getting in new buses, they are going to be refurbishing some of the older buses that you see parked. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what you think about what the government is doing. Alright guys, have a good day.